Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering error code 0xc000000e, then watch this video for the solution. The first solution is to physically check the connections of the third-party device or the peripheral devices with your USB port. So if you are plugged into your system, like for example your scanner, your printer, then unplug it and then plug it again into the USB port. This error should no longer show, but if it does show, then we'll have to take a few more steps. And the first one is to rebuild the BCD. For that, we need to look for command prompt in the search bar, right click on it, click on run as administrator, yes, and we will input the command BOOTREC space slash rebuild REBUILD BCD. Let me say it again. BOOTREC space slash REBUILD BCD and press enter. Once that has been done, we will also run a check disk. So we will go to command prompt again, right click on it, and then click on run as administrator, and we will enter the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r and press enter. Then we will press Y and press enter. And the last thing we'll do is run a memory diagnostic check. For that, we'll need to press the Windows and the R key together, and we will input the command mdsched and click enter. And then we will have to click on restart now and check for problems. And this error should no longer show. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.